Alright guys, today I'm going to be replacing this mirror on this 2004 Toyota Tacoma. It's an oldie but a goodie. Yeah, so this got knocked off this winter by someone who was shoveling some snow and got a little too close to the truck. And when it's cold, obviously these things are plastic, and all this, the mounting brackets and stuff are plastic, so it snapped right off from the cold weather. We've been having some super cold weather here, so I'm going to be replacing that with a new mirror. Bought this mirror off of eBay, but I imagine you can find it on Amazon or other places. So we're going to be replacing this with this new mirror I ordered. Start out by take this cover off here on the inside, and then there's 3 bolts. It looks like they're 10mm. I have to release those to get the bracket off from the outside. Alright, it should just come right out. Just like that. So there's the new mirror. It's like an exact match. Alright, looks like they put these things on here to protect the threads on these screws. So I'll take them off, little rubber grommet type things. Alright, now this should fit right in there. Should have rolled down the window first. Right, now we just got to put this faceplate back on here. Just snaps in. There's a little catch down there, has to slide in too. And this has to come through the hole. Snaps into that little white thing there. And then this is your mirror adjustment right here. And it has a little handle like on this side. You can adjust your mirror manually. So we got to get this put back on here. It goes on and then it's held on with a screw. Alright, just like that. Well guys, I hope you got something out of this video. Short little project needed done, so thought I'd share it with you today. Until next time guys, good luck with all your projects.